Hey guys, my name is Pushpinder Saini. Once again I came with a very interesting tutorial. In this tutorial I will tell you how you can animate your tab view controller. In previous video I have to explain you how you can integrate tab view controller. In this video I will explain you how you can animate your tab view controller. If you will see, by default there is no animation, but we can make more attractive our application. So let's begin with development and understand the basic functionality for animation. Okay. So guys, this is my project. Here you can see I have four tab view controller, tab bar controller. Okay, if you click on anyone, then there is no animation. Okay, so first of all I will create tab bar view controller file. Right click, click on new file, click on next, and here find UI tab bar view, or we can say controller. Okay, and make it tab view controller. Click on next, create. So here we are. Okay, now remove the unnecessary code and go to your main storyboard. Here first of all you have to assign the class to your tab view controller. So click on tab view controller over here, and click on class identifier here, give tab view controller, which we have created just now. Okay, so here it is. Now after that, the second task is open your tab view controller. Here first of all you have to set the delegate to your tab view controller. So self dot delegates equals self. Fine. Now second thing, now we have to take the extension. So extension tab view controller, here it is, and now UI tab bar controller delegates. Okay, so here it is. Now you have done with the first step. Now second step, we have to integrate the function of tab view controller delegate. So right click, jump to definition. Here you can see all the method. Okay, so which method we have to use? That we have to use the last method, from view controller to next view controller. Okay, so make sure you also use this method. So come back to here it is. I'll copy, open view controller, and sorry, tab view controller. Here I'll paste that, and it will be like that. Now in front of that it will say insert function. Here we have to return the animations. So for animation I will create separate class called as tab view animation. Okay, here we have to first ns object, then second is UI view controller transitioning. Okay, so here fix with method. So here you can give the transition code, and in this function you can give the duration of the transition. Let's say it will return half of the second. Okay, so I'll return 0.5 now, and over here it will return tab view animation class. Okay, now here we have to write the code. So what is the code for that? First of all, we have to see the transitions context is valid or not. So here it is, guard let destination equals transition context dot view for key, and here we have to pass the key. We can say dot 2. Okay, else it means there is some error, else it will return. Remove the extra space and come to new line over here. Now the second task is we have to apply the animation now. So I'll give the animation from bottom to upside. Okay, so for that we can say destination dot transform equals CGFinit transform. Here I'll use translation x. So x will be 0 and y will be destination dot frame dot height. Okay, so we will start from the bottom of the screen. Okay, second thing, we have to add the destination to the transition context. Okay, so transition context dot container view, we can say dot add sub view, and here we will add destination. Okay, so it's done for now. And UI view dot animate, and here I'm going to use this one. So time interval with duration, what is the duration? Transition duration, and here I have to pass the context, so it is transition context. Now second thing, animate, after animation. Okay, so here destination transform dot transform equals identity. Okay, and finally in completion we have to transition context dot completion or complete transition, here $0. Okay, so I hope you done with it. Now we can run and we can see the output as per our expectation. First view controller, second you can see it's coming from bottom to upside, third, fourth. So like that animation, you can swipe right to left, left to right, any kind of animation you can provide only on this line and this line. This will remain same, you can change as you want this one. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the complete video. If you have any doubt, any query regarding the complete tutorial, or you would like to give any suggestion for the future video, then please comment into the comment box, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, because this YouTube channel contains too much videos about Swift development. Here you can see how you can use UI tab bar, how you can pass data from one view controller to another view controller, how you can design attractive mobile screen, mobile number screen, how you can take OTP screen, how you can design country picker. So many more videos you will get on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe this YouTube channel and keep boosting your skills. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Bye bye.